Welcome back everyone into another video. In this one we're going to look at another core functions or base fundamental functions for the ladder logic diagram PLC in the RSLogix or Studio 5000 software. So the first thing I'm going to do here is add the rung, as you have been seeing, and I'm just going to start with this one, the addition. So I'm going to say test 1, test 2, and then put the result in test 3, for example, just to keep it simple so we don't confuse. Okay, so you can see here 5 plus 5 it's equal 10. So all I'm doing here is, I said, add these two values together and put the result in here. We can also do multiplication, and that's going to give us 25 as a result in here. So all basically the basic mathematical functions we have here: the absolute value, square root, the modulo, and we can even do like an expression. So this will be covered in a different video series. Division as well. So it's really as simple as just signing that function, so we can, and then putting it in your logic. So 5 divided by 5, the result is 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick brief overview of this core instruction, and please subscribe, like and share, so we can continue putting together this content. And again, thank you very much for watching.